Ndewono. Hello. No. Welcome. Ahambu Ifi Yokiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today we're going to be going over manners in Igbo language. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Now tell me, what is thank you in Igbo?
Dao.
Good job. Dalu, thank you. What is please in Igbo?
Pico.
Good job. Biko, please. What is sorry in Igbo?
Indo.
Good job. Ndo, sorry. What is safe journey in Igbo?
Ijoma.
Good job. Ijoma, safe journey. And what is see you later in Igbo?
Kamyasia.
Good job. And now what do we say?
Kamyasia. Goodbye.
Kemesia. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Peace.